Well, here we go. This lets you see it pretty well. The snowstorm in Denver. I just landed here. I broke out about 400 feet, but you can see all the planes out there all getting snow big time. It's supposed to be about 2 to 3 feet of snow. And we're not going to be here taking off until 7 in the morning. But I'm taking pictures out here so you can see. It's a lot of snow coming down there. Denver International Airport at February 2nd, about 9:15 at night. And there's all our Metroliners out there parked and getting snowed on. Okay, that's enough to, God, look at this. It's just blowing. Okay, I'll put it up so you can really see it against the light. Just coming down, big old nasty droplets or flakes. And it's just below freezing. That's some surprise. It's kind of wet snow. It's not real dry. See you later.